The new car is the second SUV of the Polestar system. It is built with acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds, and the CLTC cruising range can exceed 700 km. In terms of appearance, the Polestar 4 largely restores the Precept concept car. Its front face does not use the rectangular grille common in previous Polestar models and becomes more concise. The front bezel that appears on the Polestar 2 and Polestar 3 has two sides. The side extension decoration was also cancelled and the entire front fascia was designed to be closer to the Polestar 6. Also, as an all-electric, high-performance coupe SUV, officials claim that many parts of the body are designed for aerodynamics. The Polestar 4 is positioned as an SUV, but its actual shape has more of a fastback sedan feel. The lines behind the C-pillar naturally transition in accordance with the minimalist design style of the Polestar brand. In terms of tail, Polestar 4 looks very clean, without too much styling design and personalized decoration. It only has a few shaped taillights inside. This simple design makes people feel very comfortable. Black. The paint was stained and the red light strips became more noticeable after being turned on. The interior of the Polestar 4 is the same as most new energy vehicles today. He adopts a minimalist style. Other than the button on the central control, there are basically no other physical buttons. According to the official introduction, this interior uses many new eco-friendly materials, including Microtech Bio, customized from 100% recycled knitted woven fabrics. It is equipped with a 9-inch full LCD instrument with a simple interface design and the same functions as mainstream instruments. The central control screen is a 15.4-inch touchscreen with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip on board. The system is deeply developed based on the Meizu vehicle system. The user interface was independently designed by Polestar. Baidu Smart Voice supports AMAP navigation. In addition to the Flyme AutoCore application ecosystem, the local version also has the built-in Polestar virtual assistant, so users can get a more personalized automobile experience according to predetermined scenarios. It is worth noting that it comes standard with an extra-long panoramic canopy that provides optional EC light sensing functionality and can be switched between transparent and opaque according to different needs. In addition, the panoramic canopy area extends to the back of the rear passengers' heads, perfectly solving the effect of the fastback shape on the seating area. In terms of power, it offers single-motor version and dual-motor version. The single engine has a maximum power of 200 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 343 Nm. The dual-motor version has a total power of 400 kilowatts and total torque 686 Nm. The single-motor version has an optional 88 kWh and 102 kWh battery pack, while the dual-motor version has a 102 kWh battery pack and the CLTC range can reach up to 709 km.